In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to see LinkedIn password if you forgot it. First, it's important to understand something clearly. For security reasons, LinkedIn does not let you view your current password if you've forgotten it. That means there isn't a place in your account where you can simply reveal the existing password and read it. Instead, the correct solution is to go through LinkedIn's password reset process so you can create a new one and regain access securely. If you're already signed into your LinkedIn account and want to find the password settings, start by clicking the Me icon at the top right of the page. This will open the account menu where you'll see several profile and account options. From there, select Settings and Privacy. This is the section where LinkedIn keeps your account preferences, privacy controls, and login-related settings. Once you're inside, look for the Sign In and Security section. That area is specifically for managing how you access your account and how your account stays protected. Next, click Change Password. This normally allows you to update your password if you already know the current one. But if you don't remember it, this is where you'll find the option you need. Click Forgot Password to begin the recovery process. After that, LinkedIn will take you to the Forgot Password page. On this screen, you'll be asked to enter your email address for confirmation and verification. Make sure you use the email connected to your LinkedIn account, because that's how LinkedIn will confirm your identity and send the reset instructions. Once you submit the email, just follow the prompts LinkedIn gives you. The platform may send a verification link or code so you can safely continue. This step is there to protect your account and make sure only you can reset the password. A quick tip here. When you create your new password, choose something strong but easy for you to remember. It's also a good idea to store it in a trusted password manager so you don't run into the same issue again later. So, to recap, you cannot directly see a forgotten LinkedIn password. What you can do is open the Me menu, go to Settings and Privacy, select Sign In and Security, click Change Password, then choose Forgot Password and complete the verification process using your email. That's all.